Nanubabo Kabalen, welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, tayo yung naghahanap ng unlimited premium smoked meat.
Wow.
Watch this video.
This is RK Smokey. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
Tara, let's go!
So ayun guys, welcome to RK Smokey Bar and Restaurant. This is not our first time to be here. If you recall guys, nag-piso meal na tayo dito. Natikman na rin natin yung kanilang mga unbelievable monster meat platters. For today's video, sabi nga dun sa introduction natin, meron po silang unlimited. Ito yung experience natin dito. Ano kaya? Kakayanin ba natin to? Maka-order pa ba kaya tayo ng susunod na order? Alamin natin dito sa video na to. Guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video, and nagpapasalamat din kami kay RK Smokey for inviting us again.
Yes.
And we are always excited kapag RK Smokey yung nag-invite, bro.
At the same time ngayon, may bagong good news sila sa atin, which is unlimited.
Unlimited. So, on our table, actually, may upgrade kasi siya eh.
Yes.
No, may upgrade kasi siya.
Starting from $7.99, so meron siyang sausage, meron siyang chicken, skewers, and syempre yung kanilang smoked pork ribs.
Yun. So, additional 100 pesos naman if you wanna include unlimited belly.
Actually, that is Angus Beef Belly.
Exactly. And then additional 100 naman if you want to go for unlimited.
I see.
But pinaka-base pa lang natin, I think, para sa akin, for this one.
Talagang busog na busog ka na. And take note, this is an unlimited.
Unlimited. Alright, so let's dig in. Let's dig in. So isa sa mga must-try, even if you're gonna go here yung a la carte, yan, mga skewers natin, must-try guys.
Ako naman, syempre, uunahin ko yung sa ng sausage.
Oh!
Ayun. Syempre, dip natin sa mga sauces nila.
So yung dips natin, meron tayong Texas style at saka yung white Alabama.
Ito yung mga sausages na hindi mo makikita basta-basta. Actually, fully loaded, oh.
Para sa akin, yung mga ganitong servings, mga dishes, and it is unlimited. Minsan nakukuha mo lang sa mga mga hotels na mamahalin.
Yes, actually.
Wow.
Ano kasi tawag dyan?
Texas.
Texas.
Yeah, Texas style. Oh, wow. Wow. Mga side dishes natin dito, again, sila, unlimited din sila. However, since mga ganito yung pagkain guys, talagang uunahin mo muna yung mga meat.
So, meron tayong dirty rice,
Wow.
sauteed beans, meron tayong corn ribs, mashed potato, and coleslaw. Kumbaga ito yung mga pampabalance ng kanilang ng meat natin.
Correct. And just a disclaimer, so yung mga serving natin dito, mga for sharing. Since tatlo tayong pumunta dito, ganito yung isa-serve nila. Sarap ng Texas. So this time, I wanna try yung Alabama, white Alabama sauce. Wow. Wow! Wow!
Yun na. Actually, ooh.
Grabe, manya-manya rin pala yung Alabama.
White Alabama.
Wow, sarap din. Yan, ito naman guys. Alabama is also good. This one's good. Titingnan din natin itong sausage nila. Look at that. In-house. So, these are not sourced from supermarket. Yung mga international groceries, actually, dito nagagawa ang mga RK sausages. Actually, yung cameraman natin.
Maglaway.
Papunta pa lang tayo dito. Gutom na ako! Additional 100 pesos. Level up your experience sa RK Smokey sa kanilang mga smoked belly. Grabe, these are smoked
Angus Beef Belly.
Angus Beef Belly.
Kaya imagine, additional 100 pesos lang, unlimited na.
So kung nakokontihan kayo dun sa serving, order lang kayo. Actually, parang nagugustuhan ko na tong Alabama, white Alabama sauce. Look at that. Look at that, cheesy. Ngayon ko na appreciate yung mga side dishes. bigyan ko yung tip guys. Although masarap yung all meat, yung mga side dishes, ito yung parang nagre-reset sa ano mo.
Actually, ito yung mga pang-break ng ano natin.
Clean
mga
palate,
clean
ganyan.
palate.
So, napakatalino ng mga nagkano nito. Napakatalino. Coleslaw. Rice is life. Dirty rice. Pero ito yung dirty na masarap. You wanna eat it.
Ako naman, sasabayan ko ng meat and yung beans.
Meat and beans.
And beans.
Yan.
So, let's try it ng ganito.
Wow.
So, this is another way na sa pagkain ng side dish and meat.
You can enjoy it now at the same time. Wow. Wow. Look at that. A little bit of coleslaw on top. Then, kamayin na natin to. So ito yan guys, this is the fun part. Ito yung details na kailangan nyong malaman if you wanna dine here dito sa RK Smokey with the unlimited platter, bro.
Yeah, so as low as 799 pesos, you could get yung kanilang mga side dishes. Plus, meron tayong mga sausage, skewers, yung kanilang chicken, and yung kanilang smoked pork.
Now, additional 100 pesos if you want unlimited smoked belly natin. And then another 100 pesos for the unlimited house blend iced tea. So, option lamang yun guys. But as for us, this is actually sufficient. Sobrang mabubusog na natin.
Actually, isang serving lang tayo. Pero talagang busog na tayo. Ang kagandahan naman dito, sa mga gustong kumain naman and mag-try, this is unlimited.
Now, kung pupunta naman kayo dito na ayaw nyo na unlimited, available po yan. They have some platters.
So, meron tayong mga platters dito. So, a while ago, they serve yung kanilang platter 3.
Platter number 3.
So, anong meron nun? So, meron tayong famous dino ribs. Siyempre, yung sausages, skewers, and yung kanilang Angus Beef Belly.
So, lastly, rules. So, ito yun guys. Number 1, of course, no sharing. Kapag unlimited tayo, no sharing. As soon as you order, please allow like 15 minutes to prepare for your order. And then, same order policy tayo dito. So, for example, if you come in 3, if you're gonna get yung 799, yung 899, or yung 999, that pare-pareho lang kayo. Of course, kapag unlimited guys, no take out. And then, meron tayong charge for the leftovers. On the other hand naman, yung mga 1 to 3 years old, 50% off po sila. And then, yung time to enjoy your food is actually 2 hours.
Actually, 2 hours is long enough kung kakain lang naman.
Sobra. So, again, we would like to congratulate them. This is one of a kind dito po sa Pampanga, sa Angeles City. Not so much restaurant that they can provide unlimited premium
smoked
meat.
So RK Smokey Bar Restaurant is located dito sa may Don Bonifacio, Angeles City. And they are open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.